2016 Ford Fiesta with the 1.6 non-turbo engine. Today we're replacing the air filter. Let's get to it. All right, I don't really think I need to make a video about this, but just in case there's anybody that doesn't know how to do this, this is your air filter box. You're going to need a T25 Torx bit, and there's 4 of these bolts. You don't need to go crazy on them. They will come up and then stop. You will not be able to pull them out, or at least you should not be able to pull them out. Once those 4 are on, go ahead, reach down underneath, pull out our old air filter. And we'll be replacing it with a CarQuest part number 95261. Just go in there. Thank you. Not going to put these down hard, but we are going to put them down in a crisscross fashion, starting from here, then here, then here, then here. And that's pretty much all there is to replacing the air filter on one of these. And that's pretty much all there is to replacing the air filter on one of these vehicles. If you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, make sure you check out this video next. I made that one just for you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right down there in that bottom corner and subscribe, because there's about to be a couple videos for the 2016 Ford Fiesta coming out. And if you want to see how to work on your Ford Fiesta, this is the channel to follow. But until then, I'll see y'all next time.